time. Again, there's a delight.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Everybody, get ready, because here we go.
Okay, sit back, hold tight, here we go.
Yes, hello, welcome back to another vlog here on the channel. We've come to a local ground. I mean local, probably the closest ground in terms of mileage for us, right? It's basically our local fair. It's still about a 10-minute drive away, but it's local fair for local people. We're in Eastleigh for B.Cole and Sons Family Fun Fair. Cracking little line up here. I don't think I've ever been to this location actually. We are just parked in the leisure centre car park. It's a short walk down there. Built up area full of houses and housing estates. Hopefully we'll get a good little turnout there. Looking forward to this one. It's me, Simon. Sadly, Kev's joining us, so you have to pull out with his face. He's a bit ugly. And Cooper's joining us. But yeah, it is, at the moment, it's me and Simon, Patricia Elkins.
Boy, what's with the Patricia? And the official merch now.
Nice that. I like the red.
It's nice, isn't it?
It brings out your eyes.
Does it?
Yeah. But no, yeah, that's cool, isn't it? You can get them in the merch store. Link below.
Yeah, and I took my white dye out of my hair. I couldn't be arsed with it. So
He's looking fresh. He's looking fresh.
Yeah, I thought I better just...
Yeah, all proceeds, we get about £2 from the sale of these, so
coffees.
Don't bother.
Get a coffee out of it. You can get different, there's all different ones with smaller logos.
Yeah, I've tried to...
You got Where's Elkins asleep.
Yeah, the coffee one.
Coffee one.
Steam milk one.
There's a few different ones you can get. And it's on, what's the...
Spreadshirt.
Spreadsheet or spreadshirt.
Spreadshirt.
Slothy vlogs.
Yeah.
Yeah, search up for it. Spreadshirt, Slothy vlogs. Get yourself some merch, and we might be able to get to some other fairs.
Well, yeah.
It was £7.
Look how much fun he's having, look. See? All the fun of the fair.
Niece and my daughter.
They're on the poster. Bloody fame. Look,
I'm going to take a picture of that now. Send out the bell. Can't believe that.
I can't believe it.
As soon as you said that, I was like, oh my god,
yeah,
look.
All rides £2 every day, excluding high rides, which is the Starflight, the only high ride here. There are your dates, opening times, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Right.
1 till 9,
yeah.
Saturday, Sunday, and Bank Holiday Monday. 5 till 9.
So yeah, we're here today, Eastleigh, a nice local ground. Obviously, we're skint at the moment, so we can't really be travelling all the way around the country. There's some great fairs on at the moment, obviously Knutsford, Boston, but we're local today. And for the foreseeable, to be honest, because money is extremely tight. I'm not going to bang on about it, but the cost of everything is shot up. So we're just trying to do what we can do to keep our heads above water. And if we are just visiting local fairs, so be it.
And if it's entertaining you.
There we go then, 1 o'clock opening. Sam's dad, look.
Hi
say hello.
Fame at last year.
He's on it. No money comes of it though, no, just fame. Yeah.
You just get called all sorts of names. Yeah.
So I think this one's, is it free entry, Si, this one?
Hey?
Free entry, this one.
Is it pay on the ride?
Pay on the ride. Oh, you're right.
Cable ties to tie up the bike. This end of Eastleigh, yeah. So you do need it.
Secure your bikes because yeah.
Secure everything. Secure everything round here.
It's not as bad as Swindon though.
No, nothing's as bad as Swindon.
So yeah, we're just tying the bikes up and we'll get riding. I suppose we've got to wait for Kevin Coops, have we?
Yeah, let's have a walk around.
But obviously the first ride we come to is Ben Russett's new Orbiter ride.
Yeah.
Got it from Cornwall. Absolutely gorgeous that. What a ride. We did obviously do it in Forley, but we're looking forward to getting back on that. We'll take you for a walk around, show you what's here, do some rides. Is that right, Mike?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's go for a walk. Best place to be is Eastleigh.
He lives in Eastleigh, so got to say nice things about it. He lives in the posh part.
The There's no posh parts to Eastley.
Right, we're in. We've done a quick lap. Basically walked all down the centre here to the end where you've got your inflatables, got your Caterpillar roller coaster, gravity, and all the machines. Just basically your thrill machines are all up this side. Really good, good fair. Really good layout. Good turnout. Good weather. Ideal. There he is with his John Cena shorts on. Nobody wears cargo shorts anymore, mate.
What are you wearing?
Jeans, mate.
And what?
And I bet you're
Nice to see you,
nuts
Kev.
are sweating, are they?
Yeah, they are.
Well, there you go, mate. And you ain't got none.
I want to try and convince. I want to convince Myke to get on this. Gravity.
Have it with me.
Do they come on?
I'll go on it, go on.
Are you going to do it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, yes. We're going to make Gravity the first stop, and I'm taking the father-in-law on.
So get 12 Vomitin though.
Just got a drink from the Hungry Hut. Top-notch food and drink.
Yeah, I'm gonna come and get a burger from here later.
Yeah.
Come see the lovely Naomi who's hiding.
Go and see Naomi. Go and say hello. There we go. Do you do any Nop chicken here?
I'm actually on a diet.
Nop.
She's not as camera shy as Rachel though, is she?
No Nop chicken.
I'm actually gonna have a burger today. though.
Rachel's camera shy, Naomi's not.
No, she's not.
A day off.
She's got a face to the camera.
Yeah. Simon's got a face for radio.
Unlike you.
For radio.
Yeah, you can get a bacon roll chicken wrap, but sadly no Nop chicken. You can't get half a Nop chicken sandwich here, but you can get all your other food. So there you go, Gravity will probably be the first stop. We'll start this end. My father-in-law Myke said he is going to do it. He's now trying to claim he didn't say that, even though I've got video evidence.
I'll go on it, go on. I'll go on it, go on.
No backing out, no backing out.
I'm feeling ill.
He's feeling ill already.
Camera never lies.
Camera never lies.
It's true.
Right, so that will probably be the first stop, Gravity. Then we'll work our way up. It's a lovely, lovely, lovely layout. Really nice. Isn't it, Kev?
It's mate. I thought when they said it, Passfield, it'd be further down near the Fleming Park. Not,
Oh yeah, I knew it was kind of on this. Right, we're in. We've had a drink. The first ride's going to be the amazing Gravity, the rotor. Love this thing. See it all the time. But this time we've got a special guest coming on with us. Myke, he's going to be coming on. It might be funny if he throws up. It's good. I'll get my head kicked in probably, but you know, it'd be worth it. It'd be worth it. Gravity could be game over for Myke. Could be game over. Sorry, Sam, if you're watching. Your dad, he wants to do it. Honestly.
I'll go on it, go on.
No pressure here. I mean, I don't mind. That's locked. You're lucky if you can't get in.
Whoever killed me.
The door won't open.
No, the door's. Yeah, you're staying put now. The door's locked. Oh, here we go. Here we go on Gravity.
He's slow.
It is slow. Ready then, Myke? There we go. That's a short one for you. Oh my God. That was funny, that. Oh, how you feeling? Good.
No. See the joy in your face. See the joy in your face.
Never again.
Can't move.
Bloody brilliant that was. You're right.
That was bad. That was
Good,
bad.
wasn't it?
No, it was no. If you want a ride, it's going to make you feel bad. That's the one to go on, without a doubt. That is. No, that is.
We had about a 40-second cycle, the slowest it could possibly go.
That was scary. Any faster than that, you're not human.
I think Simon's going to want to take you on the rock and roll now, did you?
I don't think it. No, I don't.
Don't rock it, Si. Yeah, that might be next for Myke. What do you reckon?
No way. Not happening. Not happening. Not happening.
He said he's going to tell his.
I'm still suffering
He's going
now.
to tell Libby on me, aren't you?
Come down and try it. Get ready to come down and try it, and you'll see what I mean. That's not human. It's not human. Come down here now and have a go. Just do it.
Yeah, it's good.
doing?
Snazzy man.
Not today, not
How
me.
are you?
I am snazzy here, yeah.
You alright?
Oh, I do, yeah.
I've just killed Myke on the gravity.
Have you? Oh, okay.
That's the father-in-law.
Okay, alright.
I don't know for much longer now though. I'm in trouble.
Are you gonna
Dave's on the sofa tonight when he tells Sam.
kill Dave on this?
No one. Yeah, no, we don't talk about this. I'm not doing this. It's too hot. I'm sweating already. You know, it's too hot to be doing stuff like that. I might do the high flyer, cool down. Are you? Well, Simon's going to take Cooper on the got the camera. Simon's going to take Cooper on the what's it called, rock and roll. So I'll get away with this one. I'm just going to stand on the sidelines and relax, and Cooper can go on there.
We can see about
Really
that.
nice fair though, really busy, really picking up. Really good to see. One of the cheapest fares around at the moment, £2 a ride, you cannot go wrong. Really good value. Right, yeah.
Seen him before.
The boys will go and take you on. I'm gonna chill.
Make sure.
Yeah, used to, is it?
Don't rock it, Si.
I won't rock it.
Hey, here we go. Sod that, look at that. They're not even moving yet. Oh my God. Hey, Myke, he's calling you. Oh, it's going to be game over already. They're not even left the bloody platform yet.
Go, mate.
On the rock and roll together.
Yeah. Woo! Get in! Not for us.
Right, slow it down. I want to go the other way.
All right.
I want to go the other way. Right, here we go. I want to
Hey!
get that's the way I want to go. That's it. Here we go, Coop.
Push in it.
Here we go, mate.
Yay!
Here we go, that side.
Woo! Woo! That's a boy.
Here we go.
Woo! I used to ride it so much when I was younger. So I'm used to this. Woohoo! Yee! Woohoo!
Woo! Your face.
What's yours like?
Woo!
Woohoo!
Woo!
Woo!
Yeah, baby. God.
Woo!
Tell you what, it's a good workout, Coop.
Yeah, isn't it, mate?
Yeah.
Woo!
Woo! Oh! Woo! Woo!
Oi!
Worn out now. Hey! That's not me. It's got the wheels up.
He's got the wheels going.
Got a centre up.
Whee!
Woo! Oh! Just see all these people have to see your face.
Now it's got to be done, isn't it?
Woo! This is awesome. Oh my God, we have
Uggy, uggy, uggy!
Oi, oi, oi!
With the uggy, uggy, uggy!
Oi, oi, oi!
Rock the place!
Woo!
Rock and roll!
Wow! This is awesome.
Yeah. Good.
Oh, good God! This would have killed Dave. I don't think Dave would have handled this whatsoever.
Not with us on it.
Should get Tom Dewey on it. Tom Dewey.
Whoa!
Hey. Woohoo!
Yeah.
That was wicked.
That was a good workout.
Ah. Woo!
Get this out.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, for me too. See, the big boys.
Woo! 10 out of 10.
Yeah, for me too. See, the big boys.
Oh,
Yeah, someone's come off and enjoy it.
How was it? Vlog on vlog here, look.
Intense, very intense.
You like a bit of camping though, don't you?
Camping? That's your forte, mate.
Hey, no broke back. Dogging.
Dogging.
You enjoyed that?
Loved it.
Sod that, mate.
That was really going.
Not my idea of fun though, sadly.
Well, us two rocking it.
Go rock it, Cy.
No, that's your term, not mine.
Yeah, I'm glad I sat that one out.
I rock it with Cy.
Yeah, that's brilliant.
I don't want to know what you get up to with Cy. Rocking the what? The bed?
Well,
rocking the Casbah.
We were going that way, and I said to Coops, right, I want to slow down because I want to go that way because I know the wheels turn it that way.
Yeah.
So we
with
got
the wheels.
So then we got the really going.
We just kept going.
If the cars are rocking, don't come along.
Slothy vlog.
That's a good workout.
See that? It sits on it.
Lure review. What one did you use? That one?
That one there.
How is it? It's a hot day, so there might be some stuff stinking in there, but
10 out of 10.
really?
Mate. Yeah, clean as a whistle.
Beautiful. You could eat your dinner off there.
You could have your dinner off of there. You could have hanky-panky on there. You could do whatever you like. It was lovely and clean. 10 out of 10.
Beautiful. So we like to hear. Right. As you can see, the fair's extremely busy. We are, I think, going to head up now. The Sky Flyer, High Flyer, do that, get a nice breeze. Tom Dewey's here, stalking us. Get one of these. Not one of these. Crap.
That's the Wish version of Slothy Vlogs.
Yeah.
It takes about 18 weeks to turn up and I ain't got a clue.
And it looks like that.
It looks like
Yeah.
that.
So don't order your merch from Wish. Order it from the real McCoy. Hello, mate. How are you?
Where you been all year then?
Right, here we go then.
2 tokens.
2 High Flyer tokens. There you go, sir.
Thank you very
Cheers,
much.
mate.
Buy it, buy the merch.
Tarts. Yeah.
Definitely got to get steamed milk after this.
Glorious day, mate.
Glorious day.
High Flyer.
On the old high flyer.
Get some lovely views of Eastley, if there is any. no, it's all right.
There
Isn't
is, if you look behind you there,
The
you've
little
got
river.
the river and that.
it? It's a lovely ground. Like I said, it's so good to be at a local ground. It's nice not having to travel an hour each way, isn't it, to a fair?
It is, and it's a
Oh,
very,
bloody hell.
It's a very good fair as well.
It's a wonderful fair. Bloody hell. Nice breezes, because it's bloody roasting today. I think it's only like 15 degrees, but it's, in that sun, it's really nice. Where's Kev?
There he is, over there on his phone. I don't know what he's doing. He's filming all the young girls.
He's filming all the...
Good quality t-shirts these are.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's it. I've got another one coming. This one's going to be bells.
Yeah, a bit big that one, isn't it?
It's an XL, this one.
Looks like a dress.
Yeah, when I take that, if I take this off, it looks like a dress. But Belle's going to use it.
Yeah, the sizes are really good. So if you are a large, get a large. It's not
they're not Chinese sizes.
It's not Chinese sizes. It's
Proper well made. It's good material.
we really are pushing the merch, aren't we?
Yeah, I got to push it.
Nice actually. It's a nice area, this, to be honest.
This high it is.
Some nice views up here, sorry.
Lovely views, mate. Lovely place. Are we going to go on the Caterpillar today?
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah, why not? We're going on the inflatable.
Yeah, I'm doing everything, mate. I'm doing it all. Inflatables, Caterpillar, having it. There we go, that's the Starflyer. Really enjoyed that.
Very smooth that Starflyer is.
Really enjoyed it, mate.
He definitely thinks he's John Cena, doesn't he?
Yeah, with shorts.
His shorts and his hat and everything.
Nice cool breeze.
Right, we've just done the Jonathan Scarrett's High Flyer. Got some really good views, even though it is Eastleigh.
Beastly.
There's some good views up there, really. I don't know what we're going to do now. Maybe New York is just behind me. Kev wants a coffee. Got something crawling on me now. Yeah, wipe me off, go on, wipe me off. I think we might get a coffee then. The boys want a coffee. I'm a bit too hot for a coffee, to be honest. And then we're going to do the New York. How was Starfly, right?
High Flyer, brilliant.
Yeah.
Quality views, like you said.
Quality views of Eastleigh, I would have thought
nice
it.
to cool down as well.
Yeah, that's one of the main things. Get a good breeze.
Decent cycle.
What a great sight. Sun out, people out. Lovely to see this. Really good popular fair here. Like I said, cheap, cheerful, wonderful, isn't it? What a sight. Well done, Eastleigh. Well done.
Round of applause to you. Reading, you got some, look, see, this is something you could learn from.
Working hard. Working hard. He's ignoring me. Incredible turnout. What a turnout. What a turnout.
Busy.
Really.
Good at it.
Who invited which?
I don't know.
Right.
I don't know.
Steam Milks on Cooper.
Yeah, if you want.
Nah. Don't worry, I'm getting them. I'm getting them in.
You wait till Bank Holiday Monday, this place will be rammed.
Roll up, roll up.
There you go, bud.
Roll up.
How are you, right?
Go on, Kev, I'm going to watch you first.
Separate cars.
Oh, look at that!
Come on, Ty.
Hey!
Win the fluffy toy. Look, Libby would love this. Go on, Ty.
Only just out, yeah. You're
He's bloody crap at this.
very close.
Hey!
Same as me, mate.
A little bit harder, they do stick in.
Yeah, I know.
Right, Simon's hugging random people over there. Oh, it's alright, okay, I'll let him off. They used to go to school together. I just thought he was hugging randomers. Maybe not. Right, we'll go and do New York in a minute. We're going to go and get a steam milk. This one today is on Tiffany Lehan, who sent some money to the Steam Milk Fund.
You didn't need me to remind you.
Tiffany and
you're
of course
an absolute
Babaji and Aaron, all very, very generous
All
people.
Legends.
So yeah, we're going to get steam milk on those guys. Thank you very much.
Steam milk mush.
Steam milk, you slag.
Tart.
That's better, sun's there. Right, come on, Kev, come behind me. Right, yeah, steam milk.
Right, can you hold it up like normal?
No, I can't. I'm this height. Sod off.
Yeah, but wait there.
It's like being with Connor, isn't it? Look,
go.
all these tall people piss me off. Yeah, so we're going to go get steam milk. This place is absolutely rammed. Really, really good to see. We're going to get a steam milk, then go and the iconic, the very iconic New York.
What a machine.
The award-winning New York, multi-award-winning New York. Had a good day here, though. It's really good.
Yep.
I love being
Jules
at a
get the
local
beer.
ground. Obviously, good meeting up with Kev.
Yep, just a shame we got
Shame he's ugly, but
wish.com.
and Coops.
And me.
Right. Steam milk. When Cy's finished flirting.
Again.
An old school girlfriend, apparently.
Again.
Hopefully not too long this one.
I don't want to look like Cooper, so I've got to stay away from that. Stay away from that.
Having one
Coffee
today.
with sweetener.
Oh, thank you.
Excuse me. Why would you want to look like me?
Why wouldn't I?
Yeah, why would you want to look like me?
I wouldn't want to look like you.
Thank God for that.
I don't care, I'm having a burger today.
I definitely don't want to look like you.
Right.
Tarts.
You'd be a bloody hit with the ladies.
And
Got myself a nice steamed milk there. Lovely jubbly. With,
Look at
Two
these.
normal coffees.
Two normal ones. Lovely jubbly.
Cooper's the typical, I've got a cup of tea.
He's like an old man drinking tea, isn't he?
Just an
yeah, man, what's
Where's
wrong
your
with
pipe
that?
and slippers?
Yeah, well, at least I don't walk around in damn ladies' shoes.
There we go. Cheers, boys.
Steam milk.
Cheers, Tiffany.
Cheers and coffee.
Don't cheers coffee. We do it here,
his
mate.
legs.
We do it here, look, because we're hardcore.
Never cheers a coffee.
That's that.
Right, we're going to enjoy this. The sun's gone in now. It's got cold all of a sudden. I think now we're going to go and do New York, New York. We just had a lovely steamed milk, so thank you guys for that. Appreciate it. Simon.
Yo, David.
New York.
New York, New York.
Get on it.
New York.
Come on.
Good, they
You
named
coming
it
on?
twice.
New York.
He's not allowed on it.
No.
Too heavy.
Too heavy.
Too heavy.
Kev, how much is it?
2 tokens.
2 tokens.
2 beer tokens. 2 beer tokens.
2 beer tokens. Do we get mates rates discounts?
Yeah, 3 quid to you. With his head long.
How many, sorry?
And it's gardening club.
2.
2 tokens. Yours upside down, 2 tokens.
2. Award winning, multi-award winning.
Multi-award winning.
Multi-award winner.
Car number 7. Go on, Cy.
You go in 7, I'm going in 8. I'll tell you which one's faster.
Cheers, right, here we go. Car number 7.
Hey, you all fatty, come on.
Car number 7. The fastest. The absolute fastest car. Number 7. Oh. Here we go, baby. I haven't been on this, oh yeah, bloody hell. The iconic New York. Bloody hell. Hanging all over the place. I'll try and hold it still. I've been foamed on. I've got foam all over my face, and it is foam, I promise. It's even quicker going forward. Oh my god! Crazy taxi! Woo. Woo. Oh my god! This is so quick! That was amazing. So fast. Wow, incredible. Cheers, Big Mac. That was quick, wasn't it?
Rapido!
You had the fastest car in the West
Car
Side.
7,
Car
mate.
7, mate.
It was Rapido!
Where's the sun
I tell
gone,
you.
man?
I know.
bit. Well, someone's fucking with us mopping the dead.
Let's go for a week.
All right.
Yeah, get some hand sanitizer.
New York there. Still an incredible ride. It's better at night. It's fast, but without this microphone, it's just not the same. Obviously, you can't use it because we literally are a stone's throw away from housing estate. So yeah, no mic allowed here. But for me, that gets a big seal of approval. Really, really enjoyed that.
Quality machine. We're lucky to have that travelling down south as much as we do.
Yeah, I know.
I know there's people up.
It's literally 6
right
miles from my
right
house.
Up north, they don't see things like that.
North.
Up north, you know, like Blackpool.
Where's Grim?
Where's Grim? Grimsby.
Yeah, 6 miles from home.
5 miles for me.
I feel lucky.
I get a lot of local fares though. Dave don't get any.
Yeah, but it's only Coles.
Mate, the fares are fair to me. I get 2 lots of Coles.
Beverly, give us a wave. There we go. Super Cooper. Right, we'll probably jump on the Super Trooper now. We did do this at the Common, but it's an amazing machine, so we'll go on it, yes, Cy? We'll go on that now. Then we've got the Miami, the Sizzler, and the Orbiter. To be honest, I'll leave the Miami. I'm feeling a bit delicate at the moment. I'll do the Orbiter though, definitely the Orbiter. Right, Super Trooper time. Let's go on it. Two token.
Thank you.
Super Trooper Cooper.
Named after Cooper.
Right. Super Cooper.
Take your seats now.
We go then, baby, on James Creecraft's Super Trooper Cooper.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to begin.
This machine. So smooth as well. The original Ward built Super Trooper. Slags at the back.
Here we go.
Oh, bloody hell, here we go. It's twisting in. Such a good machine, this. Have some of that, baby.
Come on, boy.
Bloody hell, we did get some airtime, didn't you, up there?
Remember that TV shit? It's the Love Band show. Remember the programme?
Little Graham, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
Get that sweet! You're always getting a sweat this side, don't you?
That breeze is nice. Super machine.
You spent too much time with hair.
I know all the jingles.
What a bargain though.
2 corner ride, you can't go wrong. Look at the speed of this thing on the floor, look.
Unbelievable.
Bloody hell. What a machine. The sun's back out, so it's all good.
Look at this.
Yeah, I'm burning.
Turn that camera around.
Burning. Geek show, Robert. Such a good atmosphere here, full of people. Tom Dewey Funfair vlogs, Tom Dewey Funfair vlogs, Tom Dewey Funfair vlogs.
It was here the other
Can
day.
you use these here?
Tight, isn't it?
It's a bit tight there, Kev.
Look at Cooper down there, look, with his belly.
Let's do it again. Sit back, hands up.
Here we go then, boy.
Haven't done this since the. Oh my god!
Watch out for your John Cena hat.
Push down. Can't push down anymore.
Here we go, guys and girls. It is Ibiza. Oh, there we go.
There we go. Yeah, we're in now. I can't film with Ging Gang Goolies.
He hasn't got any King Gang Gooley.
Because someone push him down.
Here we go.
Oh, hello. Where'd that come from? She's got a bit of whip here.
Yeah, got some whip.
Oh yeah, it's definitely got a bit more whip.
You like getting whipped?
Only on weekends.
Only at weekends. By a bloke in leather.
That's Cooper's jumping.
View of the fair, view of the fair.
One front.
Slothy Vlogs merch.
Top notch.
And don't forget this fair is here in Eastleigh, Passfield Avenue. It opened today.
Sunday.
What day is it today? That's the 30th. And so it's open till next Sunday.
I think the 10th. 9th or 10th.
9th or 10th. The poster will be up. Oh, whoa!
Haven't done it since the new
No, I haven't done. Dave did it at the Scarefest. So it's this way out. So we're going to leave. That was awesome. Superstar! Lovely ride. Smooth and fast. Bit like you, Dave. Smooth and fast.
Dave would have shut his
That's what Sam told me.
Dave propped it.
Dave's a
Right, done the Super Trooper. The boys did the Miami, no charge for me. They really enjoyed it. I don't know why.
It was really good.
Must be something wrong with them because I don't like them. I bloody hate the things.
No, it was quick.
Quick.
And it looks the absolute mutts nuts. Bang tidy.
The Mutts Nuts. I've not heard that one before.
Bang tidy.
Yeah, so I think now the lads want a coffee. I've just got the orbiter to do now.
Right.
I'm not going to bother with the Sizzler because I'm all skizzed out.
Scissor.
I've done loads of
You like
skizzers.
scissoring with Cooper.
I don't know about that. When Kev comes, the tone just
Wait there.
lowers.
It was Cooper first.
Hey,
Can't take
me into it.
Can't take him anywhere, can you?
I can't,
either
no.
of them anywhere. They're disgusting.
Should we just leave him here?
Yeah.
No.
Filth.
Right, piss off you lot. Hold tight, here she goes.
Okay, right, let's push down the bar, please. Push down the bar, please.
Get back out.
Can I have a go on the mic?
No.
Yeah, what a day we're having here. Awesome atmosphere. The public are out in force. Really good to see. Bank holiday weekend. The sun is shining. Literally, I'm meeting Sam in town later. She's gone to the cinema to watch a film. I'm meeting her, and then we're going to go back to her mum and dad's house. Yeah, it's been a really good day. Tell you what, I love a local fair. I know we keep banging on about it, but it's just so nice not to have an hour's drive home after a busy day. Look at that.
10 minutes.
It's like Superman the way he's ripping his shirt open. Look.
Super slag.
Super slag. And we're at the other end of the fair now, where you've got the orbiter. We've saved the mean machine for last.
Oh yes.
I love that machine. Absolutely stunning.
Bang tidy.
You do have a fun house here. I won't be going on there, unfortunately. We're banned.
We'll send Cooper on.
Not allowed in fun houses with Kev.
No, not. Cooper blocked up the slide last time. It was like a turret that went flush.
Right, we've obviously saved the beast till last.
Yeah, save the big boy for last.
And that's it. It's been a good day though this time.
It's been a fantastic day, a really good fair this. And they're here for a whole week. So a week tomorrow is the last day.
Get yourself down.
Get yourselves down. £2 a ride, absolute bargain.
Yeah, while everyone else is out up north and Knutsford and Boston and
It's grim up north.
Boston Tea
God knows
Party.
wherever Connor is today, I'm sure he's having a lovely time clicking. But yeah, it's a shame he's not with us today. But cottaging, yeah, sorry, Connor's probably cottaging with Dan Steele and Frank's.
Cooper's on a pony.
Cottaging.
Cooper's Lou with you.
Cottaging.
Cooper.
Cooper's Lou with you, we don't want to know.
What did you do?
He's taking a few photos because Connor's not here. He's been demoted.
Never.
He's an influencer.
Yeah, but I'm not the youngest
And
influencer.
one for Cooper, Jurassic era.
Actually, I might have to get that one. Look.
That's smart, isn't it?
Funfair influencer.
Hashtag influencer, gifted.
Hashtag influencer.
Hashtag best burgers.
Where's Connor? At the Boston Tea Party.
He's up north, isn't
Boston Tea Party.
he? He's up north.
Yeah, he's with his boyfriend Frank.
On my bit. Just carried over 4 crates for Naomi. Help her out.
Well done, mate. He
done
thinks
he?
he's hard, doesn't he?
Look at him. Cooper can't shut his bar. Can't get it over his belly.
Cooper, can't he get in?
No, I can't get in.
He's got to do the walk of shame.
Walking shame, mate. Walking shame,
He
mate.
can't get in.
Just about get me leg.
He couldn't get his go. Would shout.
He couldn't get. Ah,
Here. Just leave the bar up. he
walk
said.
of shame.
No, he's letting him on. He's going to leave the bar up. Come
Coach
in.
the cred 680.
Wait.
I used to be slim too.
Apparently, Cooper used to be slim.
He did.
Hold tight, Coops.
Here we go.
He looks. Oh! Is this a Goovin Park?
Here we go. We're
Oh!
Poor old Coop. Got him
Drinks
get
on ride.
Drinks on ride, bags on ride, dogs on
What do
park.
you cook it? What do you have for dinner at home, Coop? Kebab?
feels like it.
That was cred number 8,000.
800.
800 and...
My 800 cred.
1942756.
What about you?
It's your 680, isn't it?
So no, I've done so many now.
Yeah, no,
It's
it is.
unbelievable.
600.
It's good though, nice little
did
family
enjoy it.
coaster.
Cooper was a bit fat, he couldn't fit, so he had to have the
Are we
safety
going to
bar undone.
rewrite the rotor?
No, I've got orbital to do, I'll be game over.
Could we game
I thought you
over
were off
anyway?
these.
I am.
Yeah,
Just
sorry.
because I'm a-
Cut!
He's off him, he's just smoking mine instead.
Rocky Balboa. That's good, that.
That's not my
You couldn't do that again if you tried. Try it again.
You're hard, showing off.
Do you reckon, boys?
Get a bit of piece of pie. There you go, mate.
The next stop, the Orbiter. Yeah, we've been waiting all day for this.
You coming on the Orbiter, Joey?
Yeah, we've saved
Beastie
the
boy.
Beast till last, the Orbiter. Tom's not coming on. I remember we done the one in Farnborough, it killed him.
We
Chipperfield's
didn't see
Orbiter.
it for an hour after that, did
This
we?
thing is amazing. I'll take you on it now. It will be the last stop today. I hope you've enjoyed the vlog today. I've had a really good time. We played a few games, we had a laugh. It's been really, really good.
You're a really good punch.
Yeah, I should have used me
Even Cooper.
use a stronger arm.
I should have used my other hand. It's much stronger. Right, so yeah, we'll get on the Orbiter, Kev.
Yep.
And yeah, take you on with us.
Oh yeah.
Obviously, we did cover this gang early. It's first outing under Ben, but we're gonna do it now because it's bloody good, bloody good. And that sun is awesome today. Really, really enjoying the weather. Finally feels like spring or summer. Summer's on its way.
Yeah, Tivoli goodness, mate.
Ben, here we go. Tiffany goodness. Send it.
Send it.
Beautiful machine, isn't it?
Get down on it. Suck my helmet.
Suck my helmet.
Here we go, boys.
Super freak. Woo. It's all about Kevin, this song.
Super freak.
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 Yeah, freak.
Here we go then.
Freak.
On the Orbiter, bloody hell. This thing does me in. Yay. So glad we got this down south.
Yeah, me too. Power.
Bloody hell. Ben can't use the mic today, you know.
I know, you can't use it in these
Oh.
Super freak!
Bloody hell, man. I've got it right. Let's keep coughing because it's loud. What's Cooper doing? Tell you what, these do me in more than extremes.
I like it.
Bloody hell. Kev,
Kevin, the super freak.
super freak.
Super freak. Just look at his face. You can tell he goes to a bloody working men's club every weekend.
Lady Boys Club. Oh my god, what's going on? It's a very long cycle, isn't it? Christ, man. Oh, here we go. Obviously, there's the little ones on here. The arms didn't go. But you've got to be careful with the little ones. Good machine, that, isn't it?
Very good. Very good.
You enjoyed it. Good cycle. Just long enough. I'm starting to feel a bit ill, to be honest.
Oh yeah.
Cheers, Ben. Double thumbs?
Yeah, double thumbs.
Libby's copyrighted double thumbs. You can't do it.
Okay, all right.
Bang tidy.
Bang tidy.
What did you think, Dave?
Absolutely
Well,
loved
it was good, but
It was ace.
He said he was
Ace.
going to put the arms out, but
Dave
there was a
went
girl going, oh, like that, so he thought, I better not.
no, it's not a girl.
Dave,
It was
you.
it's a
Dave
Kev.
went white.
You.
It wasn't me.
Was.
I'm hardcore.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen you punch.
Yeah.
Tell you what, mate, there's more power in this than Mike Tyson.
Yeah, right. Okay, whatever.
226.
Well, you did worse than me.
Crap.
Let's get that out of the way.
Crap.
Hey, I hit him. That's a start.
Miss.
Oh my day, they're all
White as a ghost. Look like Casper. Whoa. That's me done and written out. Bloody hell. Really good though, enjoyed it. Love it.
Looks like you've got a bit of sunburn on your face and neck.
I am sunburned, mate.
Definitely here, and where you've got your the Ben
caught the sun. That forehead's like a bloody magnet for the sun. So big, it just traps it. I'm going to be sore in the morning. Bloody hell. It's the Slothy Vlogs Funhouse. Martin Cooper, Simon Elkins. Right, that's us. We're out. Bye, Claire. Bye. Don't mess with Claire if you come. She'll kick your ass.
Don't mess with Claire. See you later.
Right, that is us.
Run over, mate.
That is us. My head's so sunburnt, it's unreal. We had a really good day here at EASTLEIGH. Get yourselves down here. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog.
Avenue.
Yeah.
Quality
Free
fair.
parking at the leisure centre. Bit of a walk, about 5 minutes, not too bad. Cooper Park closed it because he's a lazy.
Dogging Lane.
Dogging Lane up there.
Magpie Lane, something like that.
Right, it's been nice seeing everyone. See you later, Coops.
Bye.
Sorry.
Bye. Bye for now.
Bye for now, bye for now, bye for now, bye for now. Right, yeah. I've got nothing else to say. Good fair. The fair does all the talking. I haven't got to say anything. Just get yourself down here and we'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe and all that crap.
And merch will be in the description.
Yeah, go treat yourself to a high quality hoodie.
T-shirt.
And that's that. See you later, guys. Bye.
Ooh, you're hard showing off.